Welcome to Health is Wealth. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of black pepper, a common kitchen spice with extraordinary medicinal properties. From enhancing digestion and boosting metabolism, to supporting liver health and improving male fertility, black pepper is more than just a flavor enhancer. Stick around to discover how this powerful spice can contribute to your overall well-being, and why it deserves a place in your daily diet. Let's get started. First, improves digestion. Black pepper stimulates the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, aiding in the efficient breakdown of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats into their absorbable forms, thus enhancing nutrient absorption in the small intestine. This improved digestion reduces the risk of issues like bloating, gas, and constipation by preventing food fermentation in the gut. Additionally, the increased acidity helps maintain a healthy gut environment by inhibiting harmful bacteria growth, contributing to overall gut health and preventing infections and related diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. Black pepper, due to its active component piperine, has significant anti-inflammatory effects that can reduce inflammation by inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines, thus lowering overall inflammation in the body. This reduction helps alleviate arthritis symptoms like joint pain and stiffness, enhancing mobility and quality of life. Furthermore, by mitigating chronic inflammation, black pepper can decrease the risk of developing diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, offering broad protective health benefits. Improves brain health. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, enhances brain health by improving the availability of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are vital for mood regulation, memory, and cognitive function. It boosts memory and learning by increasing beta endorphins, chemicals that enhance mood and cognition. Additionally, piperine's antioxidant properties protect brain cells from oxidative stress and damage, helping prevent neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Enhances metabolism. Black pepper boosts metabolic rate through its active compound piperine, which enhances thermogenesis, thereby increasing calorie burn and aiding weight management by burning more calories throughout the day, even at rest. Piperine also promotes the breakdown of fat cells and inhibits the formation of new fat cells, assisting in weight loss and preventing weight gain. Additionally, by stimulating digestive enzymes, black pepper ensures more efficient breakdown and absorption of food, contributing to a more effective metabolism. Respiratory relief. Black pepper provides significant relief from respiratory conditions like colds, coughs, and bronchitis due to its natural expectorant properties, with piperine helping to clear nasal passages by breaking down mucus and phlegm, offering immediate congestion relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling and irritation in the respiratory tract, easing breathing difficulties associated with bronchitis. Additionally, black pepper's antibacterial properties enhance the body's immune response, aiding in the fight against respiratory infections and speeding up recovery from illnesses like colds and coughs. Supports liver health. Black pepper supports liver health by enhancing liver function and its detoxifying capabilities, crucial for overall well-being. It stimulates bile production, a digestive fluid that breaks down fats into fatty acids, aiding digestion and preventing issues like gallstones and fatty liver disease. Black pepper also promotes the activity of liver enzymes involved in detoxification pathways, protecting the liver from toxin-induced damage and enhancing its ability to cleanse the body. Natural pain relief. Black pepper serves as a natural pain reliever due to its anti-inflammatory properties, providing an alternative to synthetic pain medications. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, reduces the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, alleviating pain associated with conditions like arthritis, muscle aches, and joint pain. For muscle soreness or chronic joint pain, black pepper can be consumed or applied topically, when diluted, to reduce pain and swelling. Additionally, black pepper enhances the bioavailability of certain medications, potentially increasing the effectiveness of pain relief treatments, making it a valuable addition to pain management strategies, especially for chronic pain conditions. Improves sperm quality. Black pepper may enhance male fertility by improving sperm quality and motility. Studies suggest that piperine, the active compound in black pepper, can increase sperm count and improve the structure and integrity of sperm cells, which are essential for successful fertilization. Piperine also enhances sperm motility, the ability of sperm to swim efficiently towards an egg, thereby increasing the likelihood of successful fertilization. Additionally, some research indicates that piperine may influence testosterone levels, which play a significant role in sperm production and overall male reproductive health, supporting various aspects of male fertility. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed learning about the health benefits of black pepper, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and experiences with black pepper in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.